Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. I am here with a new video which is about the new and exciting platform which provides you the every model, every major model free. Every model like Claude offers 4.8, 4.7, 4.6, Sonnet and ChatGPT. Every model will be free like GLM and Kimi. Every model will be free. Now we can go there. Here is the official site and the name is Tabit.ai. Tabit.ai is the site where you will get all the models free. The agentic AI browser. This site will use your browser, your Google browser, and you will get the results by using the specific model. For that we can just find some specifications of this platform, not just tabs, PDF, bookmark, HTML elements, tab, grips, and every bit on your desktop. Everything will be generated which is mentioned here, like pages, screenshot, highlights, local files, site MCP, skills, top models, and agent memory as well. So anything you want to ask, then you can do a multi-agent now with skills mentioned, and every SOTA model day 1, GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.7, Gemini 3.1, Grok 4.3, DeepSeek, Kimi, Coin, and every other models as well. Tap it within 12 hours of launch. And here Tabit get skills, 2000 agentic skills for 100 sites daily use, like YouTube, Bilibili, ChatGPT, Substack, Pager, Bio, Reddit, ChatGPT, Reddit, GitHub, and Gmail, and build your own browser as well. So now the next one is your data stays yours. Will not use the third party. You will use your own data because it will work locally, and the system will access this platform, and this platform just access the local files, not use in the server. And along with you can see your agentic web will be used like the Google. So we can go there, and first of all you can download the Mac OS for Silicon or Intel if you have, and if you have Windows, then you can install according to your operating system. I have installed the Tabit for Mac OS Silicon, and here is the screen of installation. Just grab here and drop at this applications folder will be installed. I have installed already installed. Then click here. Here is the screen. You will see the login screen. Just click to the login button to click login with Google, and you will see your Google, all the tabs, saved tabs and favorites will be shown, and the search bar of the browser is now showing. Everything will be show as a browser. And the extra thing is you will see the chat screen where you will get all the free models like Claude Sonnet 5, Kimi 2.7, GLM 5.2, and Kimi Minimax 3, Claude Opus 4.8, Gemini 3.5, ChatGPT 5.5, DeepSeek V4 Pro, V4 Flash 4.7, Kimi 2.6. Every model, every major model is here, and the main thing is currently everything is free. You can see and nothing to pay here. Just click here, and it's a chat. You click to the agent. The agent will work on your project, like if you want to create the video, if you want to create the image, if you want to create anything like that, or if you want to create any website, the agent will work. Multi agents work on your task and will get the result. I totally checked. The results will be get very clear and very efficient. session results. So I can just write hi, and the model, our model is 4.8 Claude Opus. Okay, got it. How can I assist to you today? Just remove the agentic. You can see here is the Claude Opus 4.8. What's your model? What's your model? And that's right, it will tell you that the model, I'm the Chatbot, the agentic browser assistant developed by the Chatbot team. I can help you browse the web and complete tasks on the web page, work with file, answer the questions, and more. It means it will search from the browser and search the results, and you will get the latest updates about any task. So here is the final way, and you can just click here, and the next tab is now open of your browser, and you can search accordingly, like if you are using these browsers, and create another tab, new tabs, and these new tabs are just like this new tab, and then you can search out and click to the new tab and work on that another thing on each tab. So this is the very bigger update, and all of your models are free. Enjoy these models and stay with us. Please like, share, and subscribe my video, and I will come back with a new exciting video. Bye bye.